Pause.
Please stand where I can see you.
May I please this court, Your Worship? Keko John, it's the data. Your Worship, the accused person before you is not represented at this stage. However, he has been produced, but the charges to be communicated to him being a capital case of murder. It's the prosecution's prayer the charges are communicated.
So let the charge be read to the accused person. You can read.
Number 67029 is C. Wabile Ivan, male adult, 30 years old, a Samia by tribe, a police officer, a resident of CPS, Kampala Police Barracks, Nakasero Parish, Central Division in the Kampala District. You're charged with an offense of murder contrary to sections 188 and 189 of the Penal Code Act. It's alleged that you, number 67029, PC Wabire Ivan on the 12th day of May 2023 at Raja Chambers along Parliamentary Avenue in the Kampala district with malice aforethought unlawfully killed Utam Badali Salman.
Have you understood the nature of the charge?
Yes, Your Worship.
So this court has no jurisdiction to hear your case, so you will not be allowed to plead to the charge. So in the circumstances, I'm sending you on remand till 7th of June for mention. I don't know how far the investigations have gone.
Your Worship, the investigations are still ongoing, although the investigations pending is the mental state of the accused person before you. And the prosecution would like to inform court that in due course we shall make a formal application to court to allow us access the accused person in prison for his mental state to be assessed. So for now, investigations are still ongoing. We pray for a date for mention of this case.
So June for mention to allow the state complete its investigations.